This is our typical casement window. I'd like to tell a little bit about this window. So what makes this window better as your choice of a window in your house? First thing first, it has double compression sill, as you can see it, going all around the window. When you close this window in the winter, it actually seals this window perfectly well. It has a multi-point lock system that goes all around. You can actually see it. And a unique technology to EcolineWindows. It has a corner drive at the bottom as well. So whenever you close this window is completely sealed and closed. It has a dual extension arm at the bottom. Let me show you how it works. All hardware and all parts are made of steel. We don't have any plastic parts in it. So adding this corner drive into our casement windows, we adding them into our overscaled large casement windows. The purpose for that was our engineers have calculated, and it came up to a conclusion that when the window is staying in a closed position for a longer period of time, this corner still has lots of weight on it and it might sag. For that purpose, our engineers decided to add a corner drive to prevent from that happening. This window has 6 locking points, one at the bottom here for the bottom corner drive, 2, 3, 4. These 2 are located closer to the edges of the window. This is the 5th one at the top, and the 6th one is here right behind. You can't see it pretty well, but it is here. So whenever we close this window, and we lock it, this window, I don't know if the camera can catch it, but this window actually is locked and sealed properly. And this window will serve you for many, many years.